In this quick video tutorial, I'll show you how to boot Windows 10 from a USB drive. So let's get started. First, you need to download Rufus. Open Google Chrome and search for Rufus. Go to the official Rufus download page and download the portable version. The portable version is easier to use because it doesn't require installation. Next, open another tab and download the Windows 10 ISO file. Make sure to get it from a trusted source if you don't already have it. This download might take some time, so be patient. Once it's ready, go to your Rufus download location and run the program. Now, plug in the USB drive that you want to make bootable. If only one USB is connected, Rufus will select it automatically. Otherwise, you'll need to choose your USB drive from the drop-down at the top. In the second drop-down, browse and select the Windows 10 ISO file you downloaded earlier. After that, choose the correct partition scheme. If your hard disk uses MBR, select MBR. If it's newer and uses GPT, then select GPT. Set the file system to NTFS, and then click Start. A pop-up window will appear with some customization options, such as setting a username for Windows, skipping privacy checks, and selecting your regional language. Adjust these settings if you want, then click OK. After a few seconds, Rufus will show a format warning. Simply click OK to continue. Rufus will now format your USB and copy the Windows 10 installation files onto it. It will take some time, so be patient. Once the process is finished, click Close. That's it. Your USB is now a Windows 10 bootable drive. You can use it to install or repair Windows on your computer. If you run into any issues, feel free to ask in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Meerriz Tech, and let me know in the comments if you want more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.